ठीक है, कुछ सिमिलर ही क्वेश्चन था वो. There is an extension. कल हम क्वेश्चन कर रहे थे the 10th term exceeds 7 tons, something like that. So this is similar to that. Similar in a way. Similar in a way कि आपको I have told you when there is one condition, only one variable can be calculated. And if there are two conditions, we can find two variables. So to find the AP, the two variables needed are, what are the two things you need to find any
A1
AP?
and D.
Yes. So there are two conditions. First condition is we are given the third term. And the second condition is the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So from these two conditions, beta, we shall find two variables and then the AP, right? So first of all, let us define the first term and the, let first term be A1, BD. Alright. Now we have defined on the first term and the common difference. Now the next thing that we are going to do is, according to question, I am taking the second part first. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Seventh term. Beta, how do we write seventh term?
A1 plus 16.
A1 plus 6.
First, let us write A7 only. A7 exceeds fifth term means A5 by 12. That means A7 is greater, as we discussed yesterday. So what is the equation? Can anyone tell me? What is the equation?
A7 is equal to A5 plus 12.
A1 plus
Yes.
6.
Or we can write it as A7 minus A5 is equal to 12. Both ways we can write. Right? Now let us change it to A1 and D. What is A7?
A1 plus 16.
Plus 60.
Right, very good. Minus in the bracket
A1 plus
A1
4D.
is equal to 12. Now when you open the bracket, A1 and A1 will get cancel, and 6D minus 4D gives you
2D.
2D is equal to 12. And this gives us D is equal to
6.
6. So we have got the first thing, that is a common difference. Now let us focus on this condition, that we are given the third term is 16 as A3 is equal to 16. We are given this. Let us put A1, A3 in terms of A1 and D. What is that, bache? A3 is
A1 plus 2D.
A1 plus 2D.
A1 plus 2D is equal to 16. Right, beta? Putting the value of D as 6. Putting the value of D as 6. A1 plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. And this gives me A1 is equals to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4.
4.
So now you have the first term, you have the common difference also. And according to the question, we have to write the AP. AP लिखने के लिए बच्चे, what you should do is, you should write 3 or 4 terms at least, and then you put the dashes. Because the question is not like you find first 3 terms or first 4 terms, but the AP. So now AP is first term as it is, that is 4. You can show arrow plus 6. So 4 plus 6 gives you, what is the
10.
next term? 10.
10.
2 plus 6 gives you 16. If you want to write more, fine. Otherwise, just put dashes. It will show that the AP is increasing. Clear, beta? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Chetan.